Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the vsftp and also how to create the vsftp user to log into the FTP FileZilla from the FileZilla or any kind of FTP client. So first of all, I logged into my server. I have a Ubuntu server, and also I have to reconnect again. I copied that IP address, and also here I choose the key file. My username is default Ubuntu, and I change my user. So first of all, I install that vsftp. I list of commands I here. So I already update to my server. You can update with a apt-get. Then I install the vsftpd software, and now I edit etc vsftpd.conf. So I have changed with some local enable, right enable, and also the local mux umux. And I add some I allow, and I have to copy that and find that. That is also. And once I have raised that PAM is only FTPD. I save it and restart the server. Restart the vsftpd. Sorry, it's my fault. vsftpd crvic vsftpd tart. sorry for my inconvenience. Hello. So now I have to create a user. It's a command is add user. So I already have want to create that SD user. Okay, so want that password, so I copied that password. The full name, the roll number you can type, or I skip for the purpose of testing. So now I already select the home directory I want to set. So I typed. I also give it to in my video. So it's already. I want to block the shell access for the no login to that user. So I press that, and also the folder www data, the group permission I want to sorry, it's var www. I have to go, and then yeah, now you can check it's a SD 2018 user the permission. So we go to that FTP and site manager. I create a new site for the Ubuntu server. Normal and only plain FTP. Here I have to copy that the IP address and I put it here, host, and the username also SD 2008 2018, and the password here I copied. Yeah, now it's always active. I connect. Yeah, you can check that I already have, so I can download that. Okay, and also I upload that. It's have all the permission with that user. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot. If you like my video, please subscribe, and if you have any query related to that vsftpd, so you can comment out in my video. Thanks a lot. Keep watching and like, share and subscribing. Thank you. Have a great day.